What's poppin', Sunky Squad? It is your girl, Kate to the motherfucking Benz. The Circus Kate. I'm back with another video. Oh, as you guys can see from the title, today we are going grocery shopping for our weight loss journey vibe, whatever. So pretty much, I got my list in here. I wrote down my meals for the week. They're pretty healthy, not too bad. I've had it before, so it's not going to be too hard to eat again. But yeah, so pretty much we're gonna head to Costco and the Superstore to grab our items, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got, tell you guys a little gifs of what I'm gonna be eating for the week. If you guys did not see my weight loss pre-video, so me introducing everything to you guys on what I'm gonna be doing with my weight, my measurements, all that jazz, but you guys go check that out. Link will be somewhere up here and in the description box down below, but we're gonna get on the road. Guys, so we have reached home. As you guys can see, we got our groceries, we gotta unpack. I got a lot of healthy things. Of course, I apologize for the mess, like my recycling, everything disaster. But yeah, so we are going to unpack our groceries, clean out what we do not need. And yeah.
I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. My love and love is gonna tear us apart. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. My love and love is gonna tear us apart.
So guys, since we have finished unpacking our groceries, we are going to plan our day for tomorrow. So pretty much every night I'm going to be meal prepping, in a sense, what I'm going to be eating for that day. Since today is April 30th, we are going to be meal prepping for our first day, May Blood Clap 1st. I'm very excited. So pretty much I wrote everything down in this book that I'm going to be eating for the week. For our meals tomorrow, our first meal is going to be a smoothie with a wrap, which is incorporating eggs, bacon, feta, and bell peppers. Then we have two snacks. So the snacks for tomorrow are going to be either popcorn, depending, or sun chips with a shake. Pretty much I have these shakes from Costco. They are called Kirkland Signature Nutrition Shake Vanilla. Each one has 15 grams. I'm pretty much going to be trying to get in 2 of these a day on top of another protein shake that I have, which is around 22 to 27 grams of protein, just because I want to try getting in 100 grams of protein a day or more, depending. Then we have leftover pasta as, like, I guess my lunch slash snack, because it is a small portion. And then for dinner we are going to be having jerk shrimp on top of Alfredo zoodles, and then I don't know if I said it already, but our next snack, or our last snack in a sense, will be fruits. And I'm also going to be adding some things to our day. So pretty much every day I'm going to be drinking 2 cups of green tea. So as you guys see, I have my green tea here. I got it from Costco. So pretty much one in the morning, one in the night to help me sleep. And on top of that, with, as you guys can see, my water bottle back there, we are going to prep that as well with lemon and cucumber, just to detox and cleanse our body. So pretty much I am incorporating a little bit more than usual. But yeah, we are going to start prepping.
Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got you while he check up on it. Pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up. Ladies, let them check up on it. Got you while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up. Ladies, let them check up. Got you while he check up on it. Pop it, stop it, check on me tonight. you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, I see it in your face. You can't take it, it's blazing. You watch me in amazement. You can look at it as long as you don't grab it. As long as you don't grab it. You think that I'm teasing, but I ain't got no reason. Sure that I can please you, but first I gotta read you. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pip, pop it, check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you looking like you like that. See, come over and check up. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pip, pop it, check on me tonight. Know you wanna taste it, but I'm gonna make you chase it. Got to be patient. I like mine impatient. More patient, you'll take mine. Get you in more places. You can't be abrasive.
So guys, we have finished what's it called, meal prepping. I know I look crazy, my hair's a disaster, but we just came out these showers, so I'm nice, fresh and clean, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night with some pizza before I start my relax journey. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, stay tuned. Every week I will be doing logins for you guys, so you guys can keep up with me and my results. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit a like button down, like, comment, hit that subscribe button to know when I post your girl Kate to my fucking friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.